Hello there, this is John V, Software Evangelist at JSCAPE. JSCAPE's Accelerated File Transfer Protocol Service, or AFTP service, is the perfect solution for organizations who are looking to achieve high speeds in file transfers suffering from poor network conditions like high latency and packet loss. In this post, we're going to show you how easy it is to enable the AFTP service in your JSCAPE MFT Server instance. Okay, let's begin. Log into your JSCAPE MFT Server Manager Administrative Web User Interface and navigate into the domain where you want to add the AFTP service. Go to the Services module and click the Add button. After that, expand the protocol drop-down list and select AFTP from that list. When the next dialog box appears, specify the following settings. You need to specify the host or IP. This is the IP address that this service will listen on. 0.0.0 means any available IPv4 IP address or network interface on the physical server, while the double colon symbol means any available IPv4 or IPv6 IP address. Port, this is the port number that this service will listen on, and the default port number of AFTP is 3000. And then private key, this is the private encryption key that this service will use for encrypted communications and is sourced from the keys module under the server keys tab. And then lastly, there's the require secure connection option. If this is checked, AFTP clients will be required to connect using a secure method, for example, a connection with encryption enabled. Click OK to finalize this process. In most cases, these basic settings will suffice. But should you wish to customize your AFTP service even further, there are still more advanced settings in the AFTP tab of the Services module. The advanced settings for the AFTP service include the following. There's the connection channel timeout. This is the time in minutes that the client channel connection may remain inactive before the server forcefully disconnects the client. Then there's the data channel timeout. This is the time in minutes that the client data connection may remain inactive before the server forcefully disconnects the client. Now, if you want to know, the client channel connection runs on TCP while the client data connection is on UDP. There's the max loss list size. This is the maximum number of lost blocks of data that may exist in memory for a client session. And then there's the enable TCP no delay option. When this option is checked, it disables Nagley's algorithm, which is sometimes more suitable in certain connections. And then lastly, there's the SSL or TLS ciphers button. This leads to a module where you can choose which SSL or TLS ciphers to enable for your AFTP service. That's it. Now you know how to add the AFTP service to your JSCAPE MFT server instance.